So guys, I'm sure you've already understood where I am. I am at IIM Ahmedabad and we're just one day away from CAT. Now I'm here to wish you all the very best for your D-Day. I know that all of you are really excited for this. Some of you may be having a lot of anxiety. However, my objective is to share with you that you need to remain calm, you need to remain focused on your objective, and CAT is just another exam. CAT is just another exam. You have various exams. You have CAT, you have ZAT, you have IFT. The objective is that as calm as you can be, you will be able to score more and more in your CAT exam. I've shared with you the stories. Now on this last day, I'll not share with you a lot of gyan, a lot of these things. I'll just simply say to you, sleep on time, wake up early, wake up as per your slot, ensure that you have everything with you. However, all I will say to you is that ensure that you have your admit card with you. You reach the center on time, at least half an hour to 1 hour before your reporting hour, in fact I should say. And do not forget to wear a mask, do not forget to wear socks. At a lot of centers they would even ask you to remove your shoes and the slippers, so for that you should wear your socks for sure. I'm sure that you would have seen a lot of vlogs of me from IMA, and those vlogs would have already inspired you to be here, to be at this beautiful campus of IIM Ahmedabad. And my objective again in this particular video was to remind you that what is one of those places where you can be at. You could be at this place called the Louis Khan Plaza, the LKP at IIM Ahmedabad. And with this, I hope that you feel energized, you feel excited to be here, to crack the exam and to do really well in it. So then, over the last 1 month, I have created videos for you each day on how to prepare, how to think well for your CAT exam. And in the last 3 days, I have been at IIM Calcutta, I've been at IIM Bangalore, and now I am at IIM just to wish you all the very best for your exam. And I hope that you're feeling really excited about it. With that, I just say good luck for your exam. Do not forget to subscribe and enjoy your day.